Hello guys, you are welcome back to the Text Communication channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Sorry for the distraction. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in this channel, as you all know, we talks and teach about phone repair, both the hardware and the software. GSM maintenance and repair, both the hardware and the software. So what you are seeing on the screen there is what we call soldering iron. In today's video, we are going to talk about what are soldering iron, the uses of soldering iron, how to maintain a soldering iron so that it will last very long for you. So as we all know, soldering iron is very important in the phone repair shop. You can't do without a soldering iron. Even when you have your hand blower, your workstation, your separator, you can't do without soldering iron. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what soldering iron is all about, the uses of soldering iron, and how can you maintain the soldering iron. So before I do, let's talk about the definition of soldering iron. Soldering iron is an electrical tool used for melting soda or lead and applying it to metal that are to be joined. Again, soldering iron is an electrical tool used for melting soda or lead and applying it to the metal that are to be joined. In other words, a soldering iron supplies the heat that melts the soda. And this soldering iron, it consists of a tip which you apply the metal parts that you want to solder together, and it have an insulated handle so that you can hold the iron. So soldering iron is very important in your phone repair business. So now, since we have known the definition of soldering iron, let's talk about the uses of soldering iron. As we have earlier said, soldering iron can be used to melt or solder parts of your mobile phone. Soldering iron can be used to remove or to solder and desolder a screen. In another term, you can use soldering iron to join a mobile screen, or to lead or solder a mobile screen, and to remove a mobile screen. Soldering iron can be used to remove and fix mouthpiece in your mobile phone. Soldering iron can be used to fix and remove speaker in your mobile phone. Soldering iron can be used to remove and fix speaker. In fact, anything that needs to be joined with lead, soldering iron does the work. So soldering iron is very vital in your mobile phone repair business and many other things. Since we have known some of the uses of soldering iron, now we are going to talk about the care and maintenance of a soldering iron. As we all know, soldering iron is an electrical tool, so it needs maintenance, because as we all know, if you can't maintain an electrical tool, it will get spoiled and it will cost you money. Instead of you to use that money to buy things that you fix in your shop, you use that money to buy soldering iron, so it will cost you big loss. So now, to care for your soldering iron, you need to know how to clean a soldering iron tip. You need to keep your soldering iron tip clean, because it is crucial to ensure that they perform properly, and it can also extend their life, especially when you keep the tip clean. So when you finish solder or desoldering a part of a mobile phone, you need to clean it with either a blade or a sharp object, or your any metal, as I'm doing it. So you need to clean it. So you should clean them before, during, and after use. So it is very important to clean the soldering iron. And again, another care for this soldering iron is that before soldering, you need to use alcohol and clean. Before soldering, use alcohol and a clean cloth to remove contaminants such as grease, corrosion, and oxidation from the surface to be soldered. So before using it, you need to clean it with an alcohol, especially when the thing is hot. You need to use alcohol-based material to clean it for effective work. And again, to clean your soldering iron tip, you need to use brass or stainless steel material, or you can use the razor blade as I'm doing there on the screen there to clean it. That will still help to save your soldering. Another one, after cleaning the soldering iron with your blade, you need to wet the tip of that soldering iron with lead to prevent oxidation. So it is very important. So even though you are not using it, you can put lead on the top. And again, when you are not using the soldering iron, it is very important to unplug it to avoid burning of the element in your soldering iron. And again, when you are using generator in this soldering iron, don't over high it. We all know hot soldering iron is very effective in doing work, but don't over high your generator so that it will not spoil the soldering iron. And again, when you are using extension, don't use a faulty extension or such short circuit extension. It might burn your soldering iron. So it is very important to care for your soldering iron so that it will last longer for you, so that it will help you, so that you will not spend. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye.